We're a small bank in New Zealand, which is about 4 million people. So our priorities have been to make ourselves relevant without having the advantages of scale that our competitors have. So the first part of our journey, our first priority was to develop best-or-only products where we avoided competing with larger banks. The second part of our journey is now to get those products out to as many New Zealanders as possible at the cheapest cost of acquisition. Technology is increasingly important for us. It's our main engagement with our customers. We want to engage with our customers as much as possible on digital platforms, so that necessarily involves technology. So to be successful, we've got to be very clear on our landing pages. We need to appeal to both the senior market and also need to appeal to millennials who basically are in a hurry and want to be able to do something very quickly. So our challenges around technology is to provide something that is quick and simple. What we'd like to do is to shift as much of our distribution onto digital platforms as possible, because two things: it's a very low cost of customer acquisition, and secondly, that's what our customers want. Whether they're a 65-year-old pensioner or a 30-year-old millennial, increasingly what they want to do is one thing online. They want it to be clear. They don't want to go to a landing page where they're bombarded with 20 offers. They want the one thing that they want then, and they want it quickly. So that's where I see banking is heading. Today, most banks' services are really driven around their investment in infrastructure. We're lucky, we're a new bank, we don't have any branches, we don't have much in the way of infrastructure, we're starting out in the journey, so therefore we can start with the best. New Zealand is a long way from the United States or Europe, and so when it came to choosing a systems partner, we decided that we needed to be linked up to a global player so we could keep up with all the latest trends and benefit from all the development that Oracle does. We're also attracted to Oracle in terms of the product itself. It's very simple, very easy to use. Our staff have adapted to it very, very well. And also we liked the reputation that Oracle had when it came to implementation. We asked around, and people made it very clear to us is that Oracle always makes sure that you have a successful integration. The key changes that we are seeing and will see once we fully go live is the speed of turnaround, and we're seeing it already. For example, I mentioned car dealers sell our product when they sell a car. So far, the feedback we're getting is it's taking half the time to complete the application under the Oracle system. Previously, our system had one development release a year. It took us maybe 4 to 6 weeks to change a product feature. Now we can do that in hours. So those are the sorts of things that we're getting with Oracle, and critically they're going to be so important for us in the future in order to give our customers the service that they demand.